Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today, the topic we are going to study is the child directed speech. It is the speech associated with the older person speaking to the child or vice versa. It is the way a person linguistic characteristics alter when speaking to the toddler or infant to make word easier for the child. Another name for CDS in are motheries, fatheries, parenties, baby talk, and caregiver speech. The features of CDS include phonological features, lexical features, grammar features, and discursive features. We will discuss all of them one by one. The first key feature of the CDS is the phonological features, which includes the clear articulation, exaggerated intonation, more pauses while talking, slower and clear pronunciation, and higher pitch. By using the higher pitch with the child, the adult help this speech help adults to capturing the child attention and making the speech more engaging. Exaggerated intonation, which includes the quality of higher pitch, the pitch which use the sing-song quality, which helping the conveying the emotional tone and highlighting certain important concepts and information. Like we take the example, look at the big car. If the adults say it like this, look at the big car, big. On emphasizing the word big here, he was telling a child how big the car is. The phonological feature also include the clear articulation, uh, speaking the sleeping in slower motion with the child, which so that it allows the children to more time to process and understand the language. This also helps in the language acquisition as well. So if instead of saying we are going to the park, we are going to the park. So child can understand each word easily while speaking slowly with a child. The next feature we are going to discuss is the lexical and the semantics. These includes the simplified vocabulary, the use of the diminutives, and the concrete lexics referring to the objects and immediate surrounding, and the lexic concrete concepts. It also involves the simpler construction of sentences, frequent use of imperatives, lots of repetition, frequent questions and tag questions, and use of personal name and instead of pronoun. First, the simplified vocabulary. Simplified vocabulary used by the adults and the children. Mostly, the adults use simpler words and phrases that are easier for the child to understand, and that these words that are according to the cognitive abilities of the children. Repetition. Frequent repetition of the words and phrases help in reinforcing the vocabulary and help in the memorization of these vocabulary. Mhm. Use of diminutives. Diminutives are the words that are more defined by the adults or by the child. Um, so that to make them more appealing and easier for children to grasp, like the instead of the dog they use the word doggy, instead of the cat they use catto, instead of the train they use the choo choo, and many more. So these help children to grasp these words easier. The next, the concrete concept and the words use language that used by in the CDS to be more concrete and less abstract. The more concrete concepts and the words help children to make connection between words and the meaning. So adults don't use idioms and metaphors to the children. So the words uh, and phrases they use mostly are the concrete, so that they are relevant in the context. Also, the children can directly relate it to the environment and the experience they are going on. So next is the simplified sentences. The sentences are often short and less complex, so that children can easily follow and understand. Overgeneralization is mostly happen when adult speaks or a child speaks to the adults, vice versa. So the grammatical structures are mostly overgeneralized. So the children overgeneralize certain structures that they think are easier to process for them. The use of recasting and the expansion is also the same by the adults in the CDS. Um, Expansion, it is um, it is the linguistic modification, including the simplification of these specific speech units, and that emphasize on certain various phonemes that make them more salient for the child. It is done by using more words or talking slowly. It is like that where adults fill the child utterance by explaining things that child cannot speak, tell about that. Um, for example, the child want to explain the qualities of the ball, but he can't. So the adults said, "Look at the huge, bright red ball. It's so big and round." Here he's telling the child about the qualities a ball contain. Um, it's bright, huge, and it's in red color. On the other hand, recasting, it also involves the um, child utterance by providing a child uh, same utterance with the same meaning, but by providing them a grammatically correct sentence. So in the recasting, rephrasing and repeating occur with the child vocabulary is put into a new utterance. It reinforces the learning and memorization of the correct grammatical structure. For example, a child said, "Me want cookie." Instead of me, he or she use the pronoun me. So adult correct the child by saying, "You want cookie? I also want cookie." So here he is explaining the child that for the pronoun for oneself is the I instead of me. So the next feature of CDS is paralinguistic features that includes lots of gestures and body language, stopping frequently for the child response, or modifying the attention getting strategies so one can easily get attention of infant effectively. These all contributes to the effective communication and language development in children. So the paralinguistic feature is the important for the language development.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
बाबा कहाँ गए?
बाबा ये रे बाबा।
बाबा कहाँ गए?
ऑफिस।
और फिजर क्या कर रहे हैं?
बैठा हुआ हूँ।
और अभी आप ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाएंगे?
अंडा।
वाओ। और क्या खाता है फिजर?
कीमा।
वाओ। और फिजर जो है वो खेलता है ना फिजर बाहर जाके? फिजर खेलता है ना बाहर जाके?
टोटो खेलता।
कोको खेलते हैं? क्या खेलते हैं?
नहीं,
फिर
कोल खेलते हैं। पुप्पू के तरफ कोड करते।
अच्छा, और आप जो है वो बॉल से खेलते हैं? हाँ,
बोलते खेलो।
वाह। और किस किस से खेलते हैं? आपके पास कौन कौन से टॉय हैं?
कार कार
कार, वाह।
कार
और बैट बॉल है किधर के पास?
बैग हड्डी हड्डी
सोने की दुआ सुनाए।
अल्लाहुम्मा मिलके आमुतु वाया।
और पहला कलमा?
और पहला करना तैयब तैयब माने पाक लाली लाली एल्ले लंगो। नहीं तुमने ज्यादा तुम चुप रहो मामा खाए
ला इलाहा ला इलाहा
एल्ले लंगो
मुहम्मदुर
सुरला 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 ये रहा।
Example of CTS, I researched on a child whose name is Faisal, who stammered during the conversation, who is about 2.5 to 3 years old, who is in towards stage of language acquisition. His phonological features include like the pronunciation of the child is highly is can you say that exaggerated intonate with like drawn out last vowels of the last sounds of the word like anda, kima, like that, and he speaks slowly and expressing his feeling with that. He uses basic or concrete nouns like car, anda, keema, ball, all that. He using simple vocabulary and simple sentence structure that is easily comprehensible for him as well. Uh, he uses the diminutive forms like Coco he use for some kind of the game he's familiar with, so he used that word. And the adult who is talking to that child also uses also example of the CDS, like he uses diminutive and simplified vocabulary with the child, and he speaks slowly, and with the child's exaggerated intonation is also employed to keep the child's attention, like whoa, like whoa, wow for whoa, like he's exaggerating that. He's questioning again and again, and that question again and again to the child to engage in the communication, which is proper, um, helpful for supporting the development of the language in the child. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching. See you soon.